Did Sardar Udham Singh swear an oath on Heer in a British court on June 4, 1940? The question arose after a Punjab School Education Board's 12th grade history book claimed he did. But where did this claim come from? According to Mr. Khanna's May 7, 2018, The Times of India report, the claim traces back to a so-called jail letter allegedly written by Sardar Udham Singh requesting a copy of Heer. However, Heer never reached the prison. The report further states that a forensic examination by the Udham Singh Trust England later determined that the letter was fake. The letter first surfaced in 1973, when former MP Sardar Manohar Singh Gill bought it from England. In 1974, historian Harish Puri published it in Guru Nanak Dev University's Letters of Udham Singh. Professor Navtej Singh later included it in his book, but admitting he was unaware the letter was fake. The Tribune report published on July 26, 2007, a copy of Heer linked to Sardar Udham Singh, is mentioned as being preserved in Bhai Santokh Singh Library at Desh Bhagat Yadgar Hall, Jalandhar. This false story, born from a forged letter, eventually found its way into a Punjab School Education Board textbook. We have a page but cannot confirm whether it's the same edition referenced by Mr. Khanna. It states, "Did you know, after avenging the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Shaheed Udham Singh in the English court in order to reject religious identity and assert his Punjabi identity did not take oath on any religious scripture as per rule, but instead took oath on Waris Shah's Heer. Here it is clearly written that he took oath on Heer to reject religious identity. The question is, why was this falsehood created? Was it intended to distance 16, 17-year-old 12th grade students from their Sikh identity? Or was it meant to promote the idea of a Heer-based Punjab? This issue also involves Farina Mir. She writes, "An Indian revolutionary stood trial for the murder of Michael O'Dwyer. While in custody, he gave his name as Ram Muhammad Singh Azad. He asked to take the required oath on Heer Waris instead of a religious scripture. Farina then asks, why did Udham Singh want to swear on this Punjabi epic romance in place of religious scripture? We believe this is a serious case of historical distortion. There is no primary source proving that Sardar Udham Singh ever gave his name as Ram Muhammad Singh Azad or took an oath on Heer. To challenge this claim, we had to locate important archival documents. Our England team obtained these copyright-protected documents from British authorities after extensive efforts and under specific conditions. Therefore, we cannot display the complete pages. In the Michael O'Dwyer assassination case, 25 individuals appeared in court. The court record shows the word sworn for 24 individuals, indicating that they took an oath. The 25th individual did not take an oath. Instead, he affirmed. That meant he made a verbal declaration to speak the truth. The 25th individual was Sardar Udham Singh. Here I recall the Bachan of Guru Gobind Singh Ji, "Never place your trust on those who rely on oaths." Before Justice Atkinson, at London's Old Bailey Court on June 4, 1940, the court clerk asked Udham Singh, "Are you guilty or not guilty?" Sardar Udham Singh replied, "Not guilty." I believe this answer also carries a message for those who even today want to hear the word guilty from political Sikh prisoners. After this, defense lawyer Hutchinson said, "My lord, I call the defendant. May the interpreter be sworn. In case he cannot understand, it may be that we shall not want the interpreter." When Udham Singh entered the witness box, Hutchinson asked, "You would rather affirm, would you not?" This meant Udham Singh had already made it clear he would not take an oath. Many Sikhs instead chose to affirm, pledging to speak the truth without invoking sacred scripture, preserving both legal integrity and religious respect. Mr. Hutchinson asked Udham Singh, "You would rather affirm, would you not?" Udham Singh replied yes, and the record states Udham Singh prisoner affirmed. Udham Singh pledged to speak the truth. This affirmation was usually made by raising the right hand. He took no oath, neither on Heer nor on the Bible. I personally admire Heer as a great work of literature, but in this case, there is no mention of Heer anywhere. The Punjab School Education Board and its advisors must answer. On what basis was this claim included in the textbook? A man who took no oath at all cannot be falsely portrayed as taking an oath on Heer. This is a distortion of history. We do not claim that Sardar Udham Singh was extremely religious, but choosing affirmation instead of an oath reflected respect for Sikh values. After losing his parents, he was raised at the Khalsa orphanage of Chief Khalsa Diwan around 1907. In England, he remained connected with the Sikh community, frequently visiting Khalsa Jatha Gurdwara Sahib, where many of his letters were addressed. In London jail, Udham Singh undertook a 42 days hunger strike, protesting the denial of daily bathing and prayer. Questions are often raised about whether he requested a Gutka Sahib. References to a prayer book appear in more than one letter. Even if the June 7, 1940 letter is considered doubtful, an official letter dated June 14, 1940 records that jail officer Mr. Champlain requested a prayer book from the Secretary of Khalsa Jatha Gurdwara Sahib, writing that it was for a prisoner sentenced to death. The Secretary of Khalsa Jatha, Sardar Shiv Singh Johal, actively supported Udham Singh. After the hanging on August 6, 1940, Johal requested Udham Singh's ashes for Sikh rights and asked that his belongings be handed to the Gurdwara. Records also show that the Gurdwara helped with legal expenses, including fees paid to Robert Clayton and Company for his appeal against the death sentence. After April 14th, the jail restricted outside books, fearing book could mean the coded reference to revolver. Possibly, Mr. Johal could not understand Udham Singh's some hints, which is why Udham Singh once wrote Mr. Zahal instead of Mr. Johal. Udham Singh is often described as belonging to the Kamboj community. However, his passport number 52753, issued from Lahore on March 20th, 1933, records him as Ram Gadia. Records show that Udham Singh used several names, including Udham Singh Azad, Uday Singh, Sher Singh, Muhammad Singh Azad, and Frank Brazil. There are mentions of his several foreign travels during the 1920s, 30s. Documents show that based on reports from the Intelligence Bureau, Director General of Information, Secretary of State for India, and the Governor General were instructed a major news agency and the Censorship Bureau to prevent the press from portraying Udham Singh as a hero. Finally, for those who use Heer to build anti-Sikh narratives, we ask two questions. First, what is their position on this news item expressing regret to Lady O'Dwyer? In what capacity were these people making such statements? Second, if Udham Singh supposedly took an oath on Heer on June 4th, 1940, and abandoned religious identity, then why does the handwritten note he threw toward the judge on June 5th bear an Ik Oankar at the top?